So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. She has a gorgeous head full of copper colored hair. The stylist cuts off this long ponytail. Wow, gorgeous tousled bob makeover. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. Here we have a pixie mullet style, one of the hottest hair trends that you can see in 2023. Very chic look with this style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have another beautiful pixie hair transformation. This one has a nice spiky texture going in. Love the way that framed her face. So there was the full transformation of her pixie cuts. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. So next up we have a hair color transformation. Oh, wow. So she did the under color trend, copper on the top and then blonde going there at the bottom. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very nice. Next up, we have someone who decided to switch things up with some layers. love the way that the color turned out, and the layers look amazing. Next up, looks like we have another color refresh. Ooh, beautiful bob haircut, the blonde. Very nice. And then we move into a layered haircut transformation. So I feel like lately we've been featuring a lot of layered hairstyles. That's a very popular hair trend for 2023. And I think we're gonna see this look well into 2024. So she does end up getting some bangs with her layered hairstyle as well. Ooh, very nice. I love the texture. All right, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.